In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload your music onto Dreamstime. It is super simple to do, so the first thing you need to do is log into your Dreamstime account. And if you don't already have an account, then you can sign up for Dreamstime using my link down in the description. Then from here, when you've done that, you need to go on to upload files. And then this page is gonna be looking something like this. Then from here, you need to add a drop files here. And you need to make sure that it is a .wav file if you want to upload your music onto the website. Then from here, after it's done processing, you need to click on the music or the audio. Then you need to add in a title. After you've done that, you need to add in a description. Then from here, you need to add a category. And you have 3 categories, main categories you can choose from. And then you have some subcategories. The first one, I'll suggest you just use the music style, and then you have all of these styles to go for. For example, this beat right here is a hip-hop beat. Then from here, the instrumental music, you can write in what type of music that is inside of the audio. And of course, music theme is pretty self-explanatory. Then from here, you need to add in the keywords. You can add as many keywords as you want, but make sure all of them are written in English. Then from here, you need to go down to comment for Keymaster. You need to enable both of these here. If you don't do that, you won't get the highest amount of money for the beats. Then from here, you just need to click submit commercial. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!